Hello guys, it's the same Joel from MJO team, and in this video we're going to continue from where we stopped. Remember, we created our database, and this is going to continue by adding an item, and that item is the entity. Now what the entity does is it serves as a model between your project and the database. So let's see more action by adding the entity. So I just right click on my project and I click on new item. So click on data, then click on the ado.net entity data model. Now you can rename the entity model according to your own. So the name is I'm gonna name my own the model. So just hit the enter, and we are generating from the database. You see, this entity model allows us to do many things, but it provides more options, but I'm just going to generate from database. So just click on next. Now I'm going to give it code, maybe db entity, okay, let's just say so I'm using entity framework 5.0. click next. Okay, now this is the table. Now remember, the only table we have there is the crew table, so just check this checkbox. See what I did. So finish. Okay, it's going to show us the model. Now the model is just going to have the feeds on our table. Okay, it's loading. Okay, look at it. You see, we have the ID on our database table. We also have the first name, we also have the surname, and many items. So I'm just going to close this, and I'm going to come to my form design. Now the first thing I want to do, or the first operation I would like to work on, is the populating this DataGrid view. Now what do? I added my DataGrid view from the toolbox. When I add it, I click on this smart tag, edit columns, and I click on add. So I add the ID, which was the first column, and I made the visibility to be false. Then the remaining items apart from the first name, apart from the ID, was visible. Okay, so then I made this ID, the property name should be ID, that is according to the database table. The first name should be first name. Remember, in database table the first name is first name, the surname is surname, stuff like that. Okay, now I'll just double click on my form. I want to create a function that is going to populate, a void function that will populate the DataGrid view. But before I do that, I'm going to instantiate my table and my entity. Same goes for my entity. I'll give it the name of this. So good. Now here I'm just gonna, the data source of this DataGrid view should be the the table. So I'm going to convert this table to list. For you to put this table on DataGrid, you have to convert to list. So we're putting it on it, and here. So on our form load now, I'll just call the function. So each time the form loads, it's gonna Okay, look at it. See it's there. So guys, I will stop here, and in the next video we will also continue on the maybe the login and other buttons. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.